What if I told you could build your web project in a weekend? Sounds wild, right? Hi, I'm Andre, and here's how I'm making it happen with Launchfast. Yesterday was a whirlwind of productivity for Launchfast. Here's what was on the agenda: SEO tags, logo upgrades, dev feedback, and of course recording a show-off video. So what did I actually accomplish? Well, I got better at using X, applied those SEO tags, registered Launchfast on more directories, and even kickstarted our community. Speaking of X, here's a quick growth hack: audience siphoning. Subscribe to big accounts, turn on notifications, and jump into the conversation. It's like crashing a party, but way more productive. Now, SEO might sound boring, but it's a game changer. Small tweaks can skyrocket your visibility on Google. Marketing wizards, hit me up if you have any tips. Directory listings, not glamorous, but crucial. I found a few more directories to get Launchfast out there. More places, more eyeballs. And yes, we now have a community on X. It's a bit empty now, but it's a space for us to share ideas and improvements. Join us and let's build something epic together. Looking ahead, the next steps are clear. Rebrand, refine, and relaunch as Launchfast Pro. A snazzy new logo, a polished CLI experience, and a killer intro video are all in the works. That's my update, folks. Got a lot to do before August 27th, but I'm pumped. Stay tuned and let's crush this week together. Have a fantastic week, everyone.